Welcome you back to the farm. I'm down here at my chicken eggmobile, and we haven't been getting very many eggs up to a couple weeks ago, and we've been getting maybe probably about November it started really slacking. They went into molt. Seemed like it took them forever to come out of molt, and then I was getting about one every other day, and so I'm kind of tell you what I did to kind of what I think I did to kind of get them jump started is three things really. The days are getting longer for one thing, but I'm gonna feed these first, and I got to move them before I do, and I'm gonna go ahead and move them. Then I'll come back and we'll talk about the feeding that I've changed. So I went from, I've been doing like a 16% protein feed in the winter, and that's usually what I feed during the summer because you can see here, I get fresh grass every day and bugs and stuff, and I get a lot of protein from that. So usually when grass gets really green and I'm moving them every day, I'll bump that back down to 16, but I went to 22%. And it's not very much more really, it's a mini pellet. And so I've been feeding this for 2 weeks, and I've been adding these. Now I've tried these before, and they didn't really seem to help them, but this time I think they have, and what I've been doing instead of just feeding them by themselves, kind of been mixing it with a feed. And I put about maybe a quarter of a cup in there, and this is grub terra. Now these are, let me go ahead and feed them and I'll tell you about this. You can see I mixed it in there. They seem to like it a lot, but at least my chickens seem to like it a lot better. If I just throw it in there, they kind of snarl their nose at just because anything is new to them. So this product is called Grub Terra, and it's a black soldier fly larvae, and really more from these chickens. You can feed to fish, reptiles, and birds. Of course, I don't have any of these other things, but this is 34% protein, and this is sustainable. They get these from a landfill where they don't really, dig them up out of the ground. They grow them in a landfill kind of area. So they've been doing pretty good with it so far, and we've been doing this for a couple weeks, and yesterday we got 13 eggs. Day before that we got 8, day before that we got 7, so it's kind of been ramping up, and we'll see how many we get today. I've already got 3 from the first one, and they just started laying a couple days ago. So I think this is one component of, I don't know if this is the only thing, it's a combination of things. I think it's the good feed, the 22%, and then I add this 34% protein, and then the days are getting longer too. So let's see how many eggs we got out of this one here today. Well, let me give them some water first. If I don't, I'll run off and forget them. I just got one here today. I got 4 out of these yesterday, so that's 4 total. So let's go up to my big mobile and we'll see how many eggs we got out of that. So I've been doing them the same way. So let's run up there and see what they're doing. Let's see how many eggs we got. Oh. Probably won't be any. Let's see. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 10 today, which is not too bad, really. I been putting pine shavings in my nest, and I ran out yesterday. Went and got them. I left them in the truck. Usually I run hay in there, but this time of year my allergies are so bad I don't want to fool that old hay. I'll be sitting there sneezing the whole time during this whole video. We got 10 good eggs today. Pretty happy with that. Grub Terra is my supplement I've been using, and you use it like a treat. And like I said, they don't care much for treats when I give them to them. So I've just been adding into my feed. Now you can't feed this by itself, just this alone, because you know that feed we feed them has calcium and minerals and everything for a healthy chicken. This right here is just got a lot of protein, got some fat in it, a little bit of calcium, but not enough for an egg layer. So I want to appreciate Grub Terra for sending me this and let me try it, and I think it's worked out really well for me. Hopefully they'll start laying more and more and more, and we get back in the egg business. I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down there in the farm in the next video.